If you want to turn brittle, thinning strands into thick, healthy hair, the active compounds you need are locked inside a single leaf. In just a few minutes, you can extract those compounds and build a potent, ready-to-use hair treatment right in your kitchen. This lab image shows an isolated human hair follicle at day 0 with 0 cellular activity. But after 8 days of targeted treatment, a massive web of new cells radiates from the bulb. Aloe vera's proteolytic enzymes help trigger this specific cellular growth. To build this matrix at home, you need 5 specific items: fresh aloe, curry leaves, 2 garlic cloves, thick curd, and castor oil. Before you mix anything, do a quick patch test on your skin. Aloe is packed with strong active compounds, and in rare cases, they can trigger allergic reactions like redness or inflammation. Gathering these ingredients is only the first step. To safely unlock these growth compounds without damaging your scalp, you have to follow a very specific sequence of extraction and blending. Start with a fresh aloe leaf. Wash it thoroughly, slice off the thorny edges on both sides, and cut it directly down the middle to expose the interior. Take a spoon and gently scrape the clear gel out from the fibrous green leaf. This is the first major failure point. Applying spoiled aloe vera to your scalp can cause severe itching and irritation, which can lead to further inflammation. You need to look closely at the gel you just extracted. If it has a mushy texture, dark discoloration, mold spots, or a foul, unpleasant odor, it has gone bad. If you see any of those warning signs, throw the gel in the trash immediately to protect your scalp from microbial contamination. Identifying and extracting fresh, pure gel is your foundational step. Using a spoiled base introduces microorganisms that can trigger a scalp reaction, preventing the restorative ingredients you're about to add from working effectively. Drop your pure aloe gel into a blender. Add your antioxidant-rich curry leaves and your 2 cloves of sulfur-rich garlic. Now, blend this mixture until it becomes a completely smooth liquid. Do not rush this step. If you leave any solid chunks of leaves or garlic behind, they will become trapped in your hair matrix and become nearly impossible to wash out later. Once you have a perfectly smooth liquid, pour it into a mixing bowl. Next, carefully fold in 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick curd and 1 tablespoon of golden castor oil. These additions serve a structural purpose. The thick curd gives the mixture enough density so it won't drip off your head, and the castor oil helps seal moisture into the scalp to stop hair fall. By emulsifying the water-based aloe with these oil-based thickeners, you transform a thin juice into a stable mask that adheres to the scalp for maximum absorption. With your mask ready, start by methodically parting your dry hair into quadrants. Apply the paste directly to the scalp first, then work it slowly down toward the tips of your hair. Take a wide tooth comb and run it through each section to ensure the paste is distributed across every single strand. If you have low porosity hair, meaning your cuticles are tightly packed, you need to be very sparing with how much mask you apply to the ends. Aloe is a humectant that attracts water. If your ends cannot absorb these protein-like compounds, the mask will just sit on the surface, causing product buildup and severe dryness. Once your hair is saturated, secure it under a plastic shower cap. This traps your natural body heat. Strategic distribution and trapping body heat keeps the mask from drying out. This moisture allows the active enzymes to remain mobile and reach the follicle, rather than becoming trapped in a dry crust on the surface. Leave the mask on for exactly 30 minutes. Any longer, and the strong natural compounds in the aloe can begin to irritate the scalp. When the time is up, rinse your hair completely with water first. Then immediately follow that with a mild shampoo. You must wash the aloe out entirely. Any remaining gel will dry into a sticky residue that attracts dirt and leaves a greasy film on the scalp. While your hair is still wet, you might feel tiny bits of herbs left in your strands. Do not panic. This is completely normal. Wait until your hair is 100% dry, then simply brush it. The remaining dry particles will knock out effortlessly. Stick to this routine once per week. This provides a consistent supply of nutrients without over-conditioning the strands. By respecting the chemistry of these ingredients and the physics of the washout, you have utilized the same plant-based compounds found in hair restoration research to treat your hair at home.